Hey guys, I came on to show you guys how to clean your bird bath. Now I'm not a professional at this or anything, but this is just what I'm gonna do to see if I can clean up my bird bath. And I got a brush, and I'm just gonna go through and brush out all this stuff and get all that out of there. And I'm gonna do like, the whole thing, get all the dirt and debris off of it. And then I'm gonna use a little bleach. I got some bleach, water, and an old rag. And what I'm gonna do is just clean it off with this brush and see if I can get a lot of the debris off first. It's coming off pretty good. And then I'm gonna clean it. And you can use bleach or vinegar, but I had some bleach laying around from when my son was here. And so I'm just gonna use that up. So I'll be back. Yeah, it's coming out really good. So, I don't know if you guys are catching it, but it's a lot of sawdust, from the road. Roads all over, and just dirt, and getting it out of there. But I'm doing all this before I wet it, so we'll do that first. Okay, so I dusted it out the best I could. Now I'm going to put some water in with a little bit of bleach, just a little bit. And if I can't get all the red, like kind of rusty spots out, I'm gonna just buy a tray to put in there. Because you want your birdies to be in a healthy bath. And you actually want to keep the whole bird bath cleaned, like weekly. And wherever they're gonna sit or perch or bathe, so that it's all clean for them. So let me continue scrubbing this, see how it's doing. Oh yeah, it's coming up good. I don't know if you guys can see it good because the sun is behind me, but I'll be back when I get some more of it done. Okay, so I'm just gonna wash this all off with clear water, so it doesn't need no bleach on that. And then it came pretty clean. Gotta get in there. So I got a lot of the red stuff off. I don't know if that was rust or... So yeah, it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna rinse it with some clean water. And I'll come back and show you. Okay. So I'm just going to rinse it out a couple of times. It came pretty clean except for a couple of spots like right here. But other than that, it came pretty clean. So I'm just going to take this washcloth, and it's pretty heavy, so sorry, I can't tip it. But yeah, just going to give it a couple more wipes with some clear water and then fill her up. Okay guys. It's all clean, and I got a little warm water I'm just gonna put in there to clean off. Well, hi Ginger.
She just loves running up to me. Like that's every day. She runs up to the porch and sees if you're there.
Aww.
Come on, Ginger.
And then we'll just put some cold water in there. Hi Ginger, you little sweetie pie. She's a little Chihuahua, lives down the road. Nice, fresh, cold water. Bye, Ginger. Yeah, so it's all set and all ready. So there you have it. I couldn't get that rust spot out in the middle, but I think it'll be okay. She's beautiful. There you go. Yeah, she looks beautiful. I got her out in front of my yard. And then I'm going to put some rocks around her, but we got to paint them first. But I'll come back and show you that too. Okay guys, I also forgot to tell you, so I'm coming back on to tell you, that if you put a penny, it's got to be before the 80s, so mine's 72. It helps keep your water clean. the copper, and it has to be before the 80s because now they're made out of zinc. But also you can put a catful of apple cider vinegar in the water, and that'll help for the birds too, for vitamins and nutrients, and it helps, I think, with the algae, I don't know how you say that, but yeah. So yeah, I put my penny in there, so give that a try, maybe it'll help. Thanks again for watching, guys.